so we got a 2001 Ford Bronco key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery, okay? So turn it over, and we're going to take the emergency key out. And all we have to do is, I'm sorry, you don't have to turn it over, but there's a button right here in the front. You can push it with our thumb, and we can pull the emergency key right out, okay? Now this key here won't start the car, but it will open the driver's door if you didn't know. Once we get that off, we're going to take off this back cover right here that says Bronco, okay? It gives us access to this little slot that's right here. And all we got to do is pull it open. You don't even need a screwdriver or anything, but you can do it with your thumb. But you will need a screwdriver to get the battery actually out of the key fob here. Now, there's a little slot right here that's going to help us get this out. It's pressed in there pretty good, and it's held in with these little clips. So get yourself a little screwdriver. Stick it in here and pry this guy out. It can be a little hard, okay? Once you get it out, here we go. Here's the battery size. We're looking at a CR 2450, and I'm going to have a link down in the description box. Takes you to Amazon where you get a new battery if you need one, and I'll have the size there too, okay, in case it doesn't come up in the video. But positive sign facing out towards us, and we're going to stick it into the right side of the key fob first, like this. Click it in just like that. Very easy, super easy. Get your back half, and it just smashes it, right on there just like that. And then get your key, slide it in, clocks. If it clicks and locks, you're done, good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Possibly leave me a comment. See you again in another video.